art, look what we have for you today. Yes, it's some super fun and adorable 3D paper fish. Now they're based on the paper fish or the paper baubles that we've made in the past. They're really simple, they're really fun to make, and if you were an eagle-eyed viewer, you will have seen that there were some new children demonstrating their crafts at the beginning and at the end of this video. They're friends of ours from school who basically wanted to have a go at one of the Red Ted Art crafts and then show you guys what they made. So I hope you pay extra close attention because I think they did a fantastic job and they really deserve your thumbs up. So come on, let's take a look and see how these adorable fish are made. To make our paper fish, you will need a larger sheet of your main colour. So I've got a full sheet of A4, some scraps of different colours to contrast and add the details, a little bit of string, a little bit pen, glue stick and scissors. Now, to make it easier for you, I have created a very simple template. Now this isn't hugely detailed, but it'll just help you and you can print this off and use it as well. But of course, you can just create your own. Now with the other fish, I actually used only scrap paper. I didn't use any of this, any new sheets of paper, but for this one, for this red, I couldn't find enough scrap bread. So I'm just going to use a new piece. So the first thing you want to do is create 8 circles. So you can watch me cut these out in speed because it's a little bit boring otherwise, and we'll take it from there. You have your 8 pieces. You can use 10 as well. 10's quite nice, but I did 8. Now fold them in half. Time for your fish details. Parts ready, let's assemble it. I'm going to begin by sticking 4 of my 4 circles together. If you've done 10 circles, then stick 5 together. So you want half of your circles glued together. You have 4 and 4. Take one of them. So this is your spine. This will need to be in the inside. Open this flap and lay it down. And now you add lots of glue. Add your string. Remember to leave a little bit dangling at the bottom, you'll see why in a minute. Add your features. Not the eyes, they come last. This way around. And then take your other 4, open one flap, here's the spine, and lots of glue. Take the fatter side and there's a thinner side and just add them together. By doing it this way, you make sure that your features are right in the middle of your fish. And then you can slowly unfold it and you have your basic fish almost finished. Isn't that cute? All you need to do now is add the eyes. That's so fun. And there you go. Now I just thought for a bit of fun, I'm going to add a little bit of extra. I'm going to add, you could put a little bead at the bottom, but you would have to add that earlier. I want to add a little fish I just think it's fun. Just a little detail. So I'm going to just draw a little fish. That's your paper bauble fish finished. Now, as I've mentioned at the beginning of the video, one of Pipsqueak's and Red Ted's friends at school had a go at making this fish as well, and at the end of the video you can see their adorable fish and how great a job they did making their own versions. So keep watching until the very end to see all our different school of fish swimming off together. Take care. Bye.